In this video, I'll guide you through how to withdraw funds from Sofi Invest. Whether you're looking to move some cash back into your bank account or simply need access to your funds, this process is straightforward and quick. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open the Sofi app on your smartphone. Once you have it open, make sure to log into your account with your credentials. If you're already logged in, you're one step ahead. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the active investing section. This is where you'll manage all your investment activities, and it's the gateway to accessing your funds. After tapping on active investing, you'll want to look for the buying power section. This section is crucial because it essentially represents the available funds you can withdraw. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to a more detailed overview of your available cash. Now, here comes the key step. You'll see an option to withdraw cash. Go ahead and tap on that. This action will initiate the process of moving funds out of your investment account and into your linked bank account. At this point, you'll be prompted to select the bank account you want to transfer the funds to. Make sure you choose the correct linked bank account to avoid any issues. Once you've selected your bank account, confirm the withdrawal. It is as simple as that. And there you have it. That's how to withdraw funds from Sofi Invest. It's a simple process that ensures you have quick access to your money whenever you need it. Remember, depending on your bank, it might take a business day or two for the funds to reflect in your account, but the withdrawal process itself is seamless within the app. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you understand how easy it is to withdraw your funds from Sofi Invest. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.